question.
Okay, sir.
भुरळ पाडणार आहे. Fascinating it means
Okay,
भुरळ
sir.
पाडणार आहे.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir.
have one question.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, questions you should ask in the doubt session. Otherwise,
Okay,
we will
sir.
not complete our syllabus.
Okay, sir.
But Sanket, you can ask the questions. Yes.
Sir, when we talk about elders, then what we use?
See, when we talk about elders, see,
Yeah.
in English, there is no special word for elders.
Sir,
Like
when I
in
talk
Marathi,
about
there is a special word like to. So if we want to give the respect, then we say te.
they.
For ti, we say tya for the respect. But
Yeah.
in English, we don't use that. We in English, the respect is in he only.
He, she, we use in
For
English.
father, if I have my father works in multinational company.
Yeah.
They are talented, that is wrong. Understand? They are talented, that is wrong.
He is talented.
Understand? So there is no respected pronouns in English, but you can use respected father.
Yeah.
My honorable father. In this way, you can use a lot of words for father, but in pronouns there is no respect. In pronouns there is no respect. Only he is allowed for father and she is allowed for mother, because if you have and nobody has two fathers, only one father, so he is there and she is for mother. Understand?
Yes.
So in this way we are there is no any respected pronouns in English, but you can use the adjectives for to show the respect. My respected father, my honorable father, my ideal personality. In this way you can use a lot of words, adjectives, to express the respect. All right.
Yes.
Okay, so now today we are going to work on degrees of adjectives. Today we are going to work on degrees of adjectives. So degrees of adjectives, it means it is also very simple topic. Why it is simple topic? Because in this degrees of adjectives, we are going to use the sentences formation of to be forms. To be forms, sentences formation of to be forms. So it is very easy. Okay, adjectives, it means which talks about the noun, they are called adjectives. Which tells more information about the noun, they are called adjectives. Like Suzuki is fast. So what is fast? Suzuki is fast. So fast is talking about Suzuki. Okay, fast is talking about Suzuki. So
Yes,
what are
sir.
the to be forms of Suzuki is fast? Suzuki is fast, Suzuki was fast, and Suzuki will be fast. So these three are the to be forms of Suzuki is fast is a present to be forms. Suzuki was fast is a past to be forms, and Suzuki will be fast, that is a future to be forms. That is a future to be forms. So today we are going to work on degrees of adjectives. It means in how many ways we can use adjectives. We can use adjectives in 4 ways. The first is a positive degree. So positive degree, it means it is common, like Suzuki is fast. Okay, Suzuki वेगवान आहे. But when you want to talk about the similarity with any other company's car, then you have to use as fast as. Then you have to use as fast as. It means as fast as shows the similarity. Shows the similarity. Like Suzuki is as fast as Mahindra. Suzuki is as fast as Mahindra. So as and as is showing the similarity between Suzuki and Mahindra's cars. Suzuki cars and Mahindra's cars. So you have to use as. So second is also a positive degree. In positive degree 1, we use fast. In positive second, we use as fast as. And now third is comparative degree. Third is comparative degree. In this degree, we do the comparisons. We do the comparisons. Comparisons in this comparison means one is better than other. One is better than other. That is called comparison. Like Suzuki is faster than. Suzuki is faster than Honda. So Suzuki is faster than Honda. It means what? Suzuki's car are faster. It means, and Honda's car are not that much faster. That is the meaning of Suzuki is faster than Honda. And the last is superlative. Superlative degree. Positive degree 1, positive degree 2nd, comparative degree and superlative degree. Superlative degree, it means what? They are super. It means nobody else is better than them. Nobody else in this world is better than them. Nobody else car is better than that car. So that is called superlative degree. So we use EST, like fastest. Suzuki is the fastest car in the world. Suzuki is the fastest car in the world. So in this way, we have used 4 adjectives, 4 degrees of adjectives: positive degree 1, positive degree 2, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, just repeat after me. Just repeat after me. Aishwarya, repeat after me. Fast as fast as.
Fast as fast as.
So I am telling 4 degrees of all the verbs, and everybody is repeating after me. It is not a listening class, it is a speaking class. So please repeat after me. Fast as fast fast.
Fast as a fast.
Wait a minute. Fast
Fast.
as fast as. Aishwarya, repeat after me. Fast
Fast
as fast as.
as fast as.
Faster than.
Faster than.
The fastest.
The fastest.
Strong
Strong
as strong as.
as strong as.
Stronger than.
Stronger than.
The strongest.
The strongest.
After me, you people are practicing it. After me, you people are practicing it. So please repeat after me, everybody. Tall
Tall
as tall as.
as tall as.
Taller than.
Taller than.
The tallest.
The tallest.
Brave
Brave.
young
Young
as young as.
young as.
Younger than.
Younger than.
The youngest.
The youngest.
Kajal, repeat after me. Brave
Brave
as.
brave as,
Braver than.
braver than,
The bravest.
the bravest,
Close
close
as.
close as,
Closer than.
closer than,
The closest.
the closest,
Late
late
as. Late as.
as,
Later than.
later than,
The latest.
the latest.
Okay, Pratibha ji, repeat after me. Dry
Dry
as. Dry as.
dry as,
Drier than.
drier than,
The driest.
the driest.
Early
Early
as. Early as.
early as,
Earlier than.
earlier than,
The earliest.
the earliest.
Easy
Easy
as. Easy as.
easy as,
Easier than.
easier than,
The easiest.
the easiest.
Big
Big
as. Big as.
big as,
Bigger than.
bigger than,
The biggest.
the biggest.
Sanchali, repeat after me. Hot
Yes, sir. Hot
as. Hot as.
as hot as. Hot.
Hotter than.
Hotter than.
The hottest.
The hottest.
Sad
Sad
as. Sad as.
as sad as.
Sadder than.
Sadder than.
The saddest.
The saddest.
Slow
Slow
as. Slow as.
as slow as.
Slower than.
Slower than.
The slowest.
The slowest.
Lax
Lax
as. Lax as.
lax as.
Laxer than.
Laxer than.
The laxest.
The laxest.
Okay, now we are making the questions. Okay, just repeat after me. Pooja, repeat after me. Is Suzuki fast?
Is Suzuki fast?
Is Suzuki as fast as Honda?
Is Suzuki as fast as Honda?
Is Suzuki faster than Honda?
Is Suzuki faster than Honda?
Is Suzuki the fastest
Is Suzuki the fastest
in the world?
in the world?
Is Khali strong?
Is Khali strong?
Is Khali as strong as Salman?
Is Khali as strong as Salman?
Is Khali stronger than Salman?
Is Khali is stronger than Salman?
Is Khali stronger than Salman?
Is Khali stronger than Salman?
Is Khali the strongest actor?
Is Khali is the strongest actors?
Okay. Is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh as tall as Salman?
Is Amitabh is as tall
Is
as
Amitabh as tall as Akshay?
is Amitabh is tall?
No, is दो बार is नहीं लेना है, एक बार ही is लेना है. Is Amitabh as tall as Akshay?
Is Amitabh as tall as Akshay?
Is Amitabh taller than Akshay?
Is Amitabh taller than Akshay?
Is Amitabh the tallest actor in Bollywood?
Is Amitabh a taller actress in Bollywood?
Okay, huh? Pratibha ji, make the questions quick from the first. Is Suzuki fast? Huh? Make the questions. Everybody make the questions. Is Suzuki fast? Huh?
Is Suzuki fast? Is Suzuki as fast as Honda? Is Suzuki faster than Honda? Is Suzuki the fastest vehicle in India?
Correct. Is Khali strong? Khali and
Is
Salman.
Is Khali strong? Is Khali strong
As strong as.
Salman? Is Khali stronger than Salman? Is Khali the strongest actor?
Actor. Huh. Okay. Is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh tall? Is Amitabh as tall as Akshay? Is Amitabh taller than Akshay? Is Amitabh the tallest actor?
Okay,
In
Sanket, start. Is my sister young? Huh.
Is my sister young? Is my sister young
As young as.
young as me? Is my sister as younger than me? Is my sister as youngest?
No, as is used only in positive degree second.
Yeah,
In positive degree first we use only young.
yeah.
In second, as young as. In third, younger than. And in
Yes.
third, the youngest. Huh.
Yes. Is Salman Khan brave? Is Salman Khan is brave as brave?
Is Salman, दोन वेळा इज घ्यायचं नाही, एकदाच इज घ्यायचं आहे संकेत. अनेकदा घ्या. इज सलमान खान नाही. हा, इज सलमान खान ब्रेव. हा, स्टार्ट.
Is Salman Khan brave? Is Salman Khan as brave as Akshay? Is Salman Khan is braver?
दोन वेळा इज घेऊ नका, एकदाच इज घ्यायचं आहे.
Is Salman Khan braver as Akshay?
ब्रेवर दॅन अक्षय.
Braver than Akshay? Is Salman Khan is bravest in the
इज
world?
दोन वेळा घेताय तुम्ही अजून पण. इज सलमान खान द ब्रेवेस्ट ऍक्टर.
Khan bravest actor in the world.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Who is going to make the sentences? Quick questions. Raise your hands.
संतोष.
Santosh, please. Close now. Is Karvenagar
Close.
close?
Okay. Is Karvenagar close? Is Karvenagar as close as Seagull Road?
Correct.
Is Karvenagar closer than? Is Karvenagar closer than Seagull Road? Is Karvenagar the closest in Pune?
Okay. Is train late?
Is train late? Is train as late as bus? Is train fast?
Later than.
Is train later than a bus? Is train the latest the bus
transport in India? Okay.
later
Kajal,
transport.
Kajal.
Okay.
Kajal, is Maharashtra dry?
Is Maharashtra dry? Is as dry as Maharashtra?
Is Maharashtra as dry as Bihar?
Okay. Is dry Maharashtra?
Is Maharashtra
Is Maharashtra is as dry as Bihar? Is Maharashtra drier than Bihar? Is driest
Is Maharashtra the driest
driest in
state
world?
in India? State
In
in India.
India.
Okay. Is aeroplane early? Start.
Is aeroplane early? Is aeroplane as early as a train? Is earlier?
Is
Is
aeroplane.
aeroplane earlier than a train? Is earliest?
Is aeroplane the
Is
earliest
aeroplane earliest in India?
in India? Correct. Good. Next, raise your hands. Easy. Is English easy? Start. Advait, is English easy? Start.
Yes, sir. Is English easy? Is English as easy as Marathi? Is English easier than Marathi? Is English
The easiest language.
is English the easiest language than Marathi
Then is English the easiest language in the world?
in the world?
Okay. Is Mumbai big?
Is Mumbai big? Is Mumbai as big as
Pune. Pune.
Pune? Is Mumbai bigger than Pune? Is Mumbai biggest in
In
the
महाराष्ट्र.
Maharashtra?
म्हणजे मुंबई मोठी आहे का? मुंबई पुण्या इतकीच मोठी आहे का? मुंबई पुण्यापेक्षा जास्त मोठी आहे का? मुंबई महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सर्वात मोठी आहे का? तुषार स्टार्ट. इज सुनील is tea hot? Raise your hands, please, everybody.
Is tea hot? Is tea as hot as water? Is tea hotter than water? Is tea the hottest in
Drink
hottest
in the
drink?
house.
Is tea the hottest drink in the house?
Okay, very good. Sad. Is Sunil sad?
Is Sunil sad? Is Sunil as sad as Kapil? Is Sunil sadder than Kapil? Is Sunil the saddest in his friends?
Very good. Is okay. Ashwini, is tram slow?
Yes, sir.
Is tram slow or is bicycle slow? Bicycle and rickshaw.
Yes. Is bicycle
Slow.
Is bicycle slow? Is bicycle as slow as rickshaw? Is bicycle slower than rickshaw? Is bicycle slowest? Is bicycle the slowest vehicle
Correct.
in
the city, in the village? Okay. Are traffic rules lax? Are traffic rules lax?
Are traffic rules lax? Are traffic rules as laxer as tax rules?
Laxer nahi, as lax as asena.
As traffic rules as lax
as tax rules.
As tax rules, as traffic rules laxer than tax rules, as traffic rules the laxest rules.
Okay, very good. Abhishek, is Suzuki fast? Again.
Is Suzuki fast? Is Suzuki as fast as Honda? Is Suzuki faster than
Raise your
Honda?
hands, everybody. Raise your hands.
Suzuki the fastest vehicle in Maharashtra.
Is Khali strong?
Is Khali strong? Is Khali stronger?
As strong as?
Sorry, as strong as Salman. Is Khali stronger than
Salman.
Salman? Is
Khali the strongest actor?
The strongest actor in Salman.
Okay, very good. Good job.
Actor in
Bollywood. Aishwarya, is Amitabh tall?
Is Amitabh tall? Is Amitabh as tall as Akshay? Is Amitabh taller than Akshay? Is Amitabh the tallest person in the Bollywood.
Very good. Is my sister young?
Is my sister is my sister young? Is my sister as young as my brother? Is my sorry.
Correct.
Is my sister younger than my brother? Is my sister youngest than his
Youngest in my family. Than नाही येणार. Superlative बरोबर than येत नाही. Is my sister the youngest in my family? Very good. Good job. Pooja. Okay. Is Salman brave?
Is Salman brave? Is Salman as brave as Akshay? Is Salman braver than Akshay? Is Salman the bravest in actors?
Okay. Very good. Close. Is Karvenagar close?
Is Karvenagar close? Is Karvenagar as close as Siagar Road? Is Karvenagar closer than Siagar Road? Is Karvenagar then closest in city?
Very good. Good job. Good job. Next, Sanchali.
Yes, sir.
झालं का तुमचं?
नाही.
Okay. Is train late?
Is train late? Is train late?
As late as?
Late. Sorry. Is train as late as bus? Is train later than bus? Is train late? Is train
The latest vehicle on the road.
Latest in the vehicle.
Okay. Is Maharashtra dry?
Is Maharashtra dry? Is Maharashtra as dry as
Bihar?
dry as Bihar? Is Maharashtra drier than Bihar? Is Maharashtra
Is Maharashtra the driest?
drier? Is Maharashtra the driest in the world?
Okay, very good. Santosh is done. Kajal is done. Aditi, are you there?
Sir, me.
Aradhna, start. Is aeroplane early? Aradhna ji, start. Is aeroplane early?
Yes, sir. Is aeroplane early? Aeroplane
Is a aeroplane as early as train?
is aeroplane as early as
Train.
train. Is
Aeroplane earlier than train?
is aeroplane earlier than train? Is aeroplane earliest in the train?
In the world. Okay. Is English easy?
Okay. Is English easy? Is English as easy? Is
As Marathi?
as Marathi? Is English
Easier than
is English easier than
Marathi?
Marathi? Is English
The easiest language
the easiest language as Marathi in the
in
world?
the world. Is English the easiest language in the world? Okay, very good.
Okay, sir.
Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is Mumbai big? Start.
Is Mumbai big? Is Mumbai as big as Pune? Is Mumbai bigger than Pune? Is Mumbai the biggest
Biggest city in the world.
biggest city in the world?
Is tea hot?
Is tea hot? Is tea as hot as coffee? Is tea hotter than coffee? Is tea the hottest than coffee?
Hottest in the hotel.
Hottest in the hotel.
Okay, got it? So in this way, we talked about degrees of adjectives. Okay, degrees of adjectives. Now we'll go for again straight next lesson, because it is also very easy for you all. Why? Because we know all the tenses. We know all the tenses. Okay, just repeat after me. carefully. Okay, Aditi, repeat after me. Carefully.
Carefully.
As carefully as.
As carefully as.
More carefully than.
More carefully than.
The most carefully. Sorry, most carefully. In these degrees of adverbs, you are not going to use the article. Okay. Easily.
Easily.
As easily as.
As easily as.
More easily than.
More easily than.
Most easily.
Most easily.
Okay, make the questions. Make the questions. Who is going to make the questions? Do you play carefully? Do you play as carefully as Sachin? Do you play more? Okay, Tushar, repeat after me. Do you play carefully?
Do you play carefully?
Do you play as carefully as Sachin?
Do you play as carefully as Sachin?
Do you play more carefully than Sachin?
Do you play more carefully than Sachin?
Do you play most carefully in the match?
Do you play more carefully in the match?
Do you solve the maths easily?
Do you solve the maths easily?
Do you solve the maths as easily as Sehwag?
Do you solve the math as easily than Sehwag?
As easily as Meenakshi?
As easily as Meenakshi?
Do you solve the maths?
Do you solve the math
more easily than Meenakshi?
more easily than Meenakshi?
Do you solve the maths
Do you solve the math
most easily in the class?
most easily in the class?
Okay, make the questions quick. Do you play carefully? Make the questions.
Do you play carefully? Do you
Raise your hands, please, everybody.
play carefully?
Tushar, make the questions quick. Do you play carefully? Do you play as carefully as Viru?
Do you play carefully? Do you play carefully as?
Do you play as carefully as Viru?
Do you play carefully as? Do you play carefully as Viru? Do you play? Formula माहित नाही.
Do you play carefully?
Do you
Start.
play carefully?
Do you play carefully? This is the first. Do you play carefully? Okay. Do you play carefully? This is the first. Then next, do you play? Do you play as carefully? As carefully as Viru? As carefully as Viru. Then do you play more carefully than Viru? Okay. And do you play most carefully in the city? Got it? In this way. Now make the
Yes,
questions quick. Make the questions quick.
Do you play carefully? Do you play as carefully as Viru? Do you play more carefully than Viru? Do you play most carefully in the city?
Okay. Do you solve the maths easily?
Do you solve the maths easily? Do you
Raise
solve
your
the
hands,
maths-
please, everybody.
Do you solve the maths easily as Viru? Do you solve
Do you solve the maths as easily as Viru?
do you solve the maths as easily as Viru? Do you solve the maths more easily than Viru? Do you solve the maths most easily in
the class?
In the class.
Very good. Pooja,
Yes, sir.
do you run fast?
Do you run fast? Do you run as fast?
Do you run जोड़ना है हर किसी को.
Okay. Do you run as fast as Sunita? Do you run more
Faster
fast?
than.
Faster than Sunita? Do you run
Fastest.
most fastest in the city?
Fastest in the city आएगा. इधर most नहीं आएगा. Okay. Okay.
Fastest.
Kajal, do you work carefully?
Do you work carefully? Do you work as carefully as Viru? Do you work more carefully than Viru? Do you work most carefully in the class?
Okay. Advait, do you study happily?
Yes, sir. Do you study happily? Do you study as happily as Viru? Do you study
More happily.
do you study more happily than Viru? Do you study most happily in
In the
in
class.
home?
Okay, Abhishek, do you attend regularly?
Do you attend regularly? Do you attend as regularly as Viru? Do you attend more regularly than Viru? Do you attend most regularly in the class?
Ashwini, do you learn sincerely?
Do you learn sincerely? Do you learn as sincerely as Sital? Do you learn more sincerely than Sital? Do you learn more sincerely in the class?
Okay, Aishwarya, do you speak correctly?
Do you speak correctly? Do you speak as
Raise your
correctly?
hands, others.
Do you speak as correctly as Shruti? Do you speak more correctly than Shruti? Do you speak most correctly in the classroom?
Okay, very good. Do you, Santosh, do you speak confidently?
Do you
Everybody is
speak
making the
confidently?
sentence. Everybody is making the sentence.
Do you speak confidently? Do you speak as confidently as Santosh? Do you speak confidently?
Do you
Do you
speak more
speak
confidently?
do you speak more confidently than Santosh? Do you speak most confidently in the class?
Very good. Very good. Nice. Aradhna ji, do you cook? Do you cook happily?
Okay. Do you cook happily? Do you cook as happily as my sister? Do you cook more easily than my sister? Do you cook most easily in the my house?
Very good. Good job. Okay. Is anybody else want to talk? Tell the sentences. Pratibha ji, done?
Aditi, sir.
Unmute. Aditi, huh? Aditi, do you learn quickly?
Do you learn quickly? Do you learn as quickly as Viru? Do you learn more quickly than Viru? Do you learn most quickly in the class?
Sanchali, do you work?
Yes, sir.
Do you work happily?
Do you work happily? Do you work as happily as Viru? Do you work more happily than Viru? Do you work most happily in the class?
Okay, in this way we talked today about all the degrees of adjectives and degrees of adverbs. Please do not leave the class. I want to talk to you all today. Today I want to talk to you all, so do not leave the class. All right. So it was a great journey with you all, and we had learned a lot of things together. And from tomorrow, from Monday onwards, you will have an expert teacher for vocabulary building course. So you will, but in that course, there will be a special concentration on the different topic-wise vocabulary. So you will study all this vocabulary from Monday onwards. So please do not miss any classes. And I am going to have two doubt sessions from Monday. One is at 3:30 in the afternoon, and second is at 10 o'clock in the evening. So if you miss 3:30's doubt session, you can attend my 10 o'clock doubt session. If you miss 10 o'clock doubt session, you can attend my 3:30's doubt sessions.